Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 9 CBSE Maths Polynomial Exercise 2.5 fifth sum. Let's see the question. Factorize. In the first one it's given as 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. Now usually we need to solve this by the factorize. We need to solve it by using identity. We need to find what identity is suitable for this. If also remember this, if question is given, we need to conclude the answer as the answer of the identity. If answer is given in the identity, we need to conclude it with the question. Now this is in the answer form. Here it is square number. It's a square number also with x square, y square and z square. So remember that this is in the form of x plus y plus z the whole square. Here they have given in the answer form, that is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So they have given in the answer, we need to write in the question form. Now for x square, first we need to show that it is in the answer form. For that, write it to be a whole square. Your x should be in whole square form. So it becomes 2x the whole square plus 3y the whole square. Here 9 can be written as 3 into 3. If you don't know what number to come, just do prime factorization or taking root. Root 4 is what? Root 4 is 2. So 2 will come here. Same way, root 9 is what? Root 9 is 3 square is root 9 and square and root get cancelled. So 3 will come. For 16, it is just 4 square. So 4 square is 16. Root and square gets cancelled. So your number will be 4z the whole square. Always we need to show for x square the whole square form. We need to show only, then we can continue with the sum. Most of them do the mistake as x will be as 4x. It is not a 4x, it is 2x. Remember that we need to put the whole square form. Plus 2 into x into y. Now I find a minus sign in this. How to write a minus sign in between the formula? Because in the formula we don't have a minus sign, but I need to write a minus sign because we have minus sign in the question. Okay, see to that the same variable. What variable you see here? The same variable, that is z. So put the minus sign in the z. Now wherever you see z, just write a minus sign. So here it becomes minus 4z square. Now plus 2 into 4 y into z. See here, not on the question. See here, it is 3y into minus 4z. As I told before, we need to write the sign of minus wherever it is necessary. Now plus 2 into z into x. So z into x here is, we need to see here, not on the top. Now it is minus 4z into 2x. So we will see whether we are getting the same answer. 2 square is 4x square, 3 square is 9y square, minus into minus will become plus, 4 square is 16z square. Now you multiply the numbers. 4 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12xy. Now as it is plus into minus, it becomes minus. 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24, yz. Now minus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, xz. So we can see the formula here applies here. So we need to conclude the answer with the question. So we need to write that to be 2x. X instead of x, what we have here? It is 2x plus 3y minus 4z the whole square. With the sign we need to write it. Remember, if question is given, we need to conclude with the answer. If answer is given, we need to conclude with the question. Now we'll move on to the second question. The second question also same way, it's given 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2xy plus 4 root 2yz minus 8xz. As I told before, we need to write it in whole square form. It is the same formula we are going to use. First we need to see whether it is in this form. For that we need to write the whole square. Here for whole square, as I told before, take a root. If I take a root 2, I can't solve it because there is no square to cancel it. So my x will be root 2x the whole square. Now y, it's only y, so y you can write it to be y square plus for 8 square, sorry 8 we can't write it in square, so take prime factorization for root 8. Take prime factorization. If I take prime factorization, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are. Now this becomes, I can take 2 outside and 1 2 will be there inside. For this, if there is same number, just take it outside once and another number will be inside. So for z it becomes 2 root 2 z the whole square. So remember, to write the whole square we need to take a root of the given numbers. As we can't take root, just take prime factorization and take it outside. Plus, don't see here now, for 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx, I am going to see the what we have written. So it becomes 2 into x into y plus 2 into y into z plus 2 into z into x value is this. Now solve it. We'll check the answer whether we are getting the same what they have written. Now you check, there is a minus sign here and here. The same variable here is x. Usually we don't write a minus sign in the front. So if we have a same variable which is in the front, that is if we have a same variable of x which is in the front, remember that leaving that x, you can put the sign of y and z. See here, the same variable here is x. The minus sign, we have a same variable of x. Usually we don't write a minus sign in the front. So remember, we can write the minus sign for y and z. Leaving x, write the rest. So y and z will have a minus sign. Is that clear? Wherever you see y, z, just put a minus sign. Now we'll check the answer whether we are getting the same what's there in the question. Now this becomes 2 root 2 into root 2 will become 2 to 2x square plus y square, because minus into minus will become plus. Here root 2 into 2 means 2 root 2 into 2 root 2 means 2 2s are 4. Now this becomes 2 2s are root 2 into root 2 will become 2, so it becomes 8. So 8 z square, yes we got it. Now plus into minus will become minus, 2 into root 2 will become 2 root 2 into x into y. Here minus into minus will become plus, so 2 2s are 4 root 2, yes 4 root 2, yz, yes yz. Now plus into minus will become minus, 2 2s are 4, okay 4. Now root 2 into root 2 will become 2. So 4 into 2 will become 8 yz. Yes, it is 8 yz. So it is in the same formula as it is in the answer form. We need to write it in the question form. For the question form, see here, not on the top. Your x will be this, your y will be this, and your z will be this. So you need to conclude the answer to be 2 root 2x minus y minus 2 root 2z the whole square, ax plus y plus the z the whole square. That's all with the sum. Thank you.